if you want to have a look at the back of the intercom system to retrieve the serial number that's on the back, you just pop it up like that and then carefully just pull it out. Have a look at the serial number on the back, take a picture of it, whatever you have to do, and then when you put it back on the wall, you do that and push it down. That's it.